Hello, thank you for joining me today. My name is Stacy and this is STACILEABEAUTY, and today we are going to be talking about color correcting, specifically covering these dark circles, because I don't know about you, but mine have definitely gotten worse throughout this whole year. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So for the color correcting, today I am going to use Bella Pierre Cosmetics Pro Concealer Palette. But really you could use any color corrector. This one has 3 colors in it, and I am going to focus on using the orange for dark circles. The green will counteract redness, and the purple is if you kind of have more gray, ashy areas. I think the main trick is to go light, because what I was doing before is trying to cover all of the dark circles with this, and I always got too much on, so then when I put concealer over it, it was just always orange, and same thing with the green. So what I have found, I tried using my finger and I still got too much on. This is an e.l.f. lip defining brush, so pretty small, any like eyeliner brush or lip brush, and you want to make sure that the area under your eye is very well hydrated, because you are going to be doing this and concealer on top of it. So if you have dryness, make sure that it's hydrated. And I'm just gonna tap it in. Then I'm going to just kind of pat it on in dots. And then I'm gonna blend that out and up. And I'm going light-handed. You can even use your finger. If you're going to use your finger, use your ring finger, because it is the lightest touch. And I'll just do one eye so you can see the difference. I'm just gonna put a little bit, just a tiny bit more here, and then go up into the inner corner here. So as you can see the orange, but it's not like real overpowering. So we're just gonna set that there. Then I'm going to put concealer, and you want to highlight kind of where this bone is, because that's kind of where the deep set of the circle ends. You want to highlight that as well and brighten. So I'm going to lightly draw, you can dot the concealer right there, and then I'm just going to lightly dot it right there, and I'm going to leave that while I am going to finish my face with foundation. This is a Lancome foundation stick in 110. I do have a little bit of redness, so I'm going to take another small brush. This is a Wet n Wild, and I'm going to take the green and do the same thing, just very, very lightly, where I have some redness going on. And a little more of the foundation. And I'm not putting concealer over where I put the green, I'm just putting the foundation over that. This is the Real Techniques To Go brush. I'm going to use the large portion, and now I'm going to concealer that was over the color corrector. You could use a brush, your hand, the Blendiful, beauty blender, whatever your preference is. I need a little bit more brightness still right here. So I'm just gonna tap it right there, but not too much. And I'm just lightly tapping it. And I just wanna put a little more right here and kind of bring it down a little bit. I think that I needed a little bit more brightness there. Notice when you use color corrector, you don't want to be in a hurry because you'd rather do a little bit, and if you need more, add it instead of adding too much and then trying to correct too much color correct. Really bad dark circles, so of course it still shows a little bit, I feel like, but I think between the two sides, I feel like I can tell in person at least the difference between the two sides. And if you look at my chin, I know I have foundation on, but I feel like the redness, you can't really see the redness. So that is how I do the color correcting. Let me finish the other side of my face so I match, and then we'll come back and talk some more. I would love to know if this video helped you out, if you have used color correcting before, or if you continue to use it. If you've never used it and you're going to try it, let me know down below. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back here. If you aren't already subscribed, I hope that you'll hit the subscribe button down below. It's free, and I put out new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe. Bye.